Hello everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Today I'm at Jalan Southern area. Let's explore this place. It's very vibrant. It's a weekend night. Saturday, 8:30 p.m. So let's go. By the way, this building is the textile center. And the building in front is called a concourse. It's a very modern shopping mall and some office inside. But they are closed on Sunday and they are closed on 6 p.m. on Saturday. And opposite I see some special shops. I mean food spa and some Indian Muslim kopitiam. So basically the Sultan is a hotel. Wow, what is this place, man? Food spa. Pineapple Beauty. I saw this at the other side, the North Beach Road. So it's another outlet, man. Plenty of massage here. It's a nice little car here, man. Some hot pot restaurants. And fancy cars. What's this, man? Another food spa. Oh, man. Another food spa. Another one. A nice 7-Eleven here. And by the way, they sell nice sandals. Wow, wow, nice with sweets. Midtown murals. Let's check out this side, man. There are some more restaurants. Thai massage. Lifestyle Nonya Cafe. Oh, this place is like the second boat key of Singapore, man, or Clarke Quay. Whoa. Interesting, this part, Poland. Supper corner. This is Pahang Street, man. Nice car. There's a BM. Heritage Collection. Number 2 Aliwa Street. Is it a KTV Haiyue? It looks like KTV, and a nice pink car. Best ice cream and waffles in the Milky Way. The eye is missing. Ya Kun, Kaya Kun. Before this is Udas. Oh man, this is big shoot. I think from here you can walk to the Siemens Square or something. Oh, concourse. What a nice place. I would like to visit here. The next time, it looks so classy and so tall. Sichuan Tianfu Restaurant. You know, Sichuan is a city in Chengdu, right? And Tianfu is also a metro station in Sichuan. So there are some China dishes here. A very like romantic place. Oh, I didn't know there's a Marine Heritage Center here. But I think it's closed. Southern Gate. Oh man, this is insane. That's a must. Yu Chun Clay Pot. Curry fish and sea, second level. It looks so nice. So what's up with this shop, man? It's called Dream Chaser. It's a kind of cafe, but the doors are so green. I mean, or maybe it's a hostel, you know. I see someone with like their stuff there. Bangkok Thai Muslim food and 43 Southern Gate. Back to Pahang Street and the massage shop. And what is this shop about, man? This building, it looks very like Muslim. Hey, there's a party going on, man. On the left side. Not sure anyone dancing though. I think it's a Malay Heritage Festival or something. And we reached the Malay Heritage Culture Cut, the gate. So where is the other side of this area that I have not explored? Kampong Glam, they call it. The area of Padang Street next to Kampong used to be known as a Kampong Dalam, inner village. Before World War II, Pahang Street was known for its stone masonry. Now this place a bit foreign to me. Where is it, man? Oh, I know already. It's like Kampong Glam, Busora Street and Haji Lane, and then there's a Sultan Mosque as well. So Lavender and the Bugis is like walkable areas. It's quite near to each other. They close the road, because I think pedestrian street now. On weekends they close. The Sultan Mosque is over there. Let's have a look. Kebaya Baratana. Kebaya is a traditional Malay costume. So basically, there are many patterns, floral patterns, and it looks very nice. And there's a Turkish restaurant here as well. So Amor, this is a famous tourist spot, And look at the left side, a lot of Turkish stuff. Some restaurants already seem to increase their prices purposely. They offer you discount to trap you. They offer free appetizer, free desserts, but these are fake free. The prices are already included in the checkout prices. Oh, that's insane. That's not ethical, man. Look at this. I'm very excited about this. The hours, man. Boutique Capsule Hotel. Cute. Kampong Glam. And look at those rotating dishes. Kampong Glam Singapore Visitor Center right here. And the Amors having their meals. Souvenirs right here. And the Sultan Mosque is in front. The viral mochi ice cream. Wow, very nice, Sultan Mosque. I mean, it looks so magnificent. Turkish store, kawaii in Japanese is keai. It means adorable. So there's some this kind of little very cute stuff here. Hey, it's only $1, the items. Oh, look at all this. Look at all these, man. Singapore attractions. The Sana cups over there, over here. Lots of tourists now. Actually, I want to explore this shop, Turkish shop. I always wanted to explore, but never had a chance until today. Let's go. They even sell the Jesus pouches, man, and some nice stuff here. Look at that. We have just arrived at the Muscat Street. They also call it this art street of Singapore, man, because there are so many interesting murals. And at the ground floor, they sell somehow teh tarik and other snacks. Look at that, there's even a hair salon, Japanese hair salon. These are the murals, no? It's all here. The left side and the right side. And then on the wall also. What a nice Peter Cooper car, right? You can find some Turkish stuff, right? Just come here, man. 115 Alibaba Textiles. A lot of Singapore souvenirs. Every street. Sometimes halal food here. In Singapore, best halal satay. Oba satay. Turkish kebab. And there's an unknown mall here, Ghost Mall. It's a Golden Landmark shopping complex. It looks very old, right? And many people just pass by, they don't really go in. So I'll be walking to the Bugis MRT from here and we can see more landmarks. Oh man, actually getting a bit hungry. But then for me, it's I prefer to buy food and take away for supper. I mean, so now it's still bearable. TCM massage. BHC chicken, modern Korean place. Tasty, crispy and juicy. But there's nobody now because it's 9 p.m. Maybe that's the thing in Singapore, even weekends in the town area, some of these shops and pubs and whatever. Oh, so 19 Taiwan Tummy, they also close. I mean, it's insane. So this one thing I don't really like about Singapore, you know, they close early for the nightlife. There's practically like only 1% nightlife happening in the Clarke Quay area, Boat Quay area, and maybe in Orchard. It's so hard to like find street food. If you stay in the neighborhood areas like maybe Queenstown and Commonwealth, you may have a hard time to find the hawker center. But in Clementi, Jurong East, Bukit Batok, there are still kopitiam in the food court, open until like 10. I think you can go and try the kopitiam food. They close at about 10:30. So last order is about 10:25 p.m. But then, yeah, anyway, there's a little lunch. We're approaching Bugis MRT in a short while, just in front. Victoria Link. So what kind of stuff they have here? The Raffles Hospital, Coco Land. Oh, I think I can see like Sim Lim Tower from here. I actually done a video last time. It's very colorful and there's an OG also. In front, if you keep on walking, right, you reach the Bukit Junction, and then opposite the shop house over there, right, will be the Bukit Street. And if you walk further from there, right, you can reach a famous Guan Yin Temple, Waterloo Simalu, Guan Yin Miao. And then from there, there's a secret HDB mall known as Waterloo Center. Now it's not so secret anymore. And so like, there's one more, Bencoolen Street and Bencoolen Center. And there's one more mall. But I'm not going to explore it, man, because I'm really like tired from walking. I'll just go to MRT. So if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. And then any comment, just drop me a comment. I'll read them and reply once I see them. Wow. So take care everybody, and see you guys. Take care everyone. 讲嘛的嘞。